Good morning, everyone. This is a video to teach you how to download the Nod Google Chrome extension. First, what you're going to do is type in your search bar chrome.google.com. Then you're going to click enter. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll see extensions. You're going to click that. Now it brings you to the Chrome Web Store. At the upper left, it's going to say search the store. We're going to press our cursor into that box and we're going to type in Nod, N-O-D, then click enter. And now we are going to add the Nod reactions for Google Meet. Mine is already added, but on your Chromebook, you have to click the Add to Chrome option. And once you do that, you'll see it pop up on your screen next to the search bar up here. Mine is under the puzzle pieces. And you see how it's going to be a thumbs up icon. It's going to say Nod reactions for Google Meet. If you have any questions, be sure to ask one of your teachers for help.